Call it a mom's adoration. Foundation, a special bond of creation.
Welcome to my vlog.
For all the single moms out there going through frustration. Clean bandit, China ball, and Marie thing make them hear.
Welcome to my vlog. PUBG Mobile.
She's gone astray, so far away from her
Yan,
father's
malapit na po tayong
daughter.
bumaba.
She just wants a life
Yan, maya na, bababa na po
for a
tayo.
baby.
Sa
All on her own, no one will come. She's got to save him.
Daily struggle.
She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like
Stay up
you.
there.
She tells him your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life. You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Rock-a-bye.
Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye. Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye. Single mom, what you doing out there? Facing the hard life without no fear. Just see and know that you really care. Cause any obstacle come, you well prepare. And no mama, you never shed tear. Cause you upset things year after year. And you give the youth love beyond compare. You find the school fee and the bus fare. Already pops disappear. In a wrong bar, can't find him nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know, so you're not stop, no time for your dare.
Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep all the gold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry. Somebody's got you, rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye. I'm gonna rock you, rock-a-bye, baby, don't you cry.
Bang, 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 alright then.
No.
Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye. Rockabye, rocka, rocka, rockabye.
tayo.
Rockabye, down by the cry. Lift up your head, lift it up to the sky, yo. Rockabye, down by the cry. Angels around you, just dry your eye.
Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep him warm, trying to keep out the cold. When he looks in her eyes, he don't know he is safe when she says. She tells him, ooh, love, no one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna give you all of my love. Nobody matters like you.
Stay up there,
She
stay up
tells him
there.
your life ain't gonna be nothing like my life.
Performance.
You're gonna grow and have a good life. I'm gonna do what I got to do. Yeah. So rock-a-bye, baby, rock-a-bye.
Rockabye, rocka, rocka.
Nakay pa tayo sa bansa. Ngayon di po natin kapatay. So ayan, inabot po natin. Yan po, yan na po, yan na po. Oh my talaga. Mukhang wala. Pasensya na po kayo, may naglalaba po. Akit po tayo, akit po tayo.
Looking like an angel, but you're savage, love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get to.
Yan na yan,
But I
yan,
still
yan.
want that, your savage love.
Mukhang wala tayo mapapatay.
Your savage love. Your savage love. You could use me.
Yan po.
Cause I still want that. Baby, I hope that this ain't karma, cause I get around. You wanna run it
Yo, may
up.
lumitaw.
I wanna lock it down. I usually don't be falling fast. You got a way of
yeah.
making me spend up all my cash every night and every day.
Pasensya na po kayo, may sipag po ako.
To make you stay.
Yan, inispatan na po yung isa. Mukhang di po matatamaan.
Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I
Yung
know
pa
you
natin
don't
kasi nga
get
hindi
to,
bagsak.
but I still want that. Your savage love,
Ayan po, tinamahan po.
savage love.
Ayan, hindi bagsak.
Your
Ayun,
savage
buwagsak.
love.
Isa.
You could use me, 'cause I still want that. Your savage love,
Po, isa.
your savage love. Your savage love.
Buwagsak.
You could use me,
Ayan. Papatumaan po.
Did somebody break your heart? Looking like an angel, but you're savage love. When you kiss me, I know you don't get to, but
Ninggil
I
na
still
po
want
natin.
that. Your savage love.
Ayan. Nandiyan ka na.
Your savage love.
Ayan.
Your savage
Wala. Ayun po,
love.
ayun po. Dito na.
Girl, you could use me, 'cause I still want that. Your
Dito.
savage love.
Saan? Nawala agad. Ito, lumitaw. Yung bagsak. Nakadalawa agad. Yan. Yan. Pinuntahan po natin kung may gamit siya. Mukhang wala. Ay, meron. Yan po, pupuntahan na natin. Ang natitirang kalaban ay 37. Sama natin na mawala. Ayan. Para natin. Ayan, hindi bagsak. Tayo po'y nababawasan. Ayun, bumagsak. Meron pa po doon. Ayun, bitaw na. Ayun po, ayun po. Bagsak yan. Ang biging nakabahan. Boom! Bagsak po. Ayan. Apat na po tayo. Elimination 4. Ang natitirang kalaban ay 33. Po, titingnan ng gamit. Ano po. Yeah. Ayan. Napakaraming natin gamit. Apat na po tayo ng elimination. At ngayon, pupuntahan po natin kung may gamit ang isa. Ayan.
Please recall me.
At parang
Got it.
kukunti ang gamit. Ayan. Umalis na tayo. Ayan. Tinitingnan ang mapa. Mukhang i-recall ang kakampi. Ayan. Pasensya na po kayo. Malapit po tayo sa kalsada.
Help!
Ngayon, ating pupuntahan ang recall. Kung saan ay
recall
tayo
me.
ay magbubuhay ng kakampi. Yan. Tatalong po tayo. Yan. Nag-tricks pa po siya. Ngunit ang pangit ng tricks. Yan. Po. Naghagis ng smoke screen. Nag-recall ng kakampi. Ano pang hinihintay niya?
Please recall
I-recall
me.
mo na.
I'm
Ayan na
recalling
po.
a teammate. Thanks.
Yan na. Tayo ay tatakbo. Hindi alam ko anong gagawin. Pag naghahanap ng kalaban sa malayo, ngunit hindi abot ang scope. Pinuntahan ng kakampi. Yan, tinignan ng mga gamit. Ngunit wala nang pinakailaman. Yan na po, yan na po. Yan na, titingnan niyo po kung ilan pang maabot. Pumunta sa box at tinignan ko ano ang gamit na makukuha. Ayun na po, may sniper. Napakaswerte. Yan po, ina. Pasensya na po kayo sa background music kanina. Inabutan po tayo ng zone. Napakasakit po niyan. Ayan. Tumatakbo. Di alam ko saan pupunta. Iniwan ang kakampi. Napakasama naman na itong kakampi. Iniwan ang kakasama niya. Naghihintay yan sila. Ayan. Siya'y lumiko dito sa may tulay. Ayan. Ngayon, may nakitang kalaban ata ito. Ay hindi, naggamot lang pala. Ayun, sumakay ulit. Yan. Tumatakbo. Tingnan ang mapa. Yan. Sige, harurot lang ng harurot hanggang makakita ng kalaban. Lapit ka na kay number 1. Yan. Apat pa lang ang napapatay eh. Takot na. Yan, titingnan ulit niya yung mapa. Ayan, tumatakbo na. At mukhang wala naman napapatay. Nakasakay pa rin sa sasakyan. Di alam kung saan pupunta. Yan, umangat siya doon. Punta sa may school. Yan. Tapos bumaba. Ayan, pinaulanan. Ayun, namatay. Namaalam na tayo. Ayun lang. Pinunta ng kasama.
Please recall me. Teammates can still
Nagpaparecall.
recall you.
Hindi tinanggap ang recall. Busy pa daw siya. Ngayon, ito. Ayan na. Mukhang i-recall po nata tayo. Kaya lang lumangoy pa sa swimming pool. Ano po ba yan? Ilog o chocobar? Yan po. Ayan na. Malapit na. Saglit na lang.